Hello everyone. At the 9 and 10 meeting of e-business strategy material courses, we will discuss customer experience and service design and managing digital business transformation and growth hacking. This material is related to LO4, that is, Orange Customer Experience and Service Design. The subtopic of this material is Analysis for Digital Technology Project and the Framework of Digital Transformation. Analysis for digital system is concerned with understanding the business and user requirement for a new systems. Typical analysis activity to understanding the current process and then reviewing possible alternative for implementing the digital business solution. In this analysis, we will using diagrams to demonstrate the business process. In process modeling, we will use tools like flow process chart, effort duration analysis, network diagrams, use cases, card sorting, wireframe, etc. What is the wireframe? Wireframe or schematic is a way of illustrating the layout of an individual web page. Wireframe also related technique to blueprint, and this is basic and low fidelity representation. This is example of wireframe. The next step is prototyping. What is the prototyping? Prototyping is used to understand and see how the product or application works, what it does, and how you should interact with it. They are simulations of how a finished product will work. Types of prototyping are: the first is casing. Casing in the prototyping process is confined to idea generation and communication. The second is paper prototypes. A paper prototype can be cut out of paper so that you can switch and move UI elements around easily and coupled with post-it notes. You can start to define the application flow. The third is low fidelity wireframe. Low fidelity wireframe are usually concerned with what goes where in a design more than how it looks or the colors that will be chosen. The fourth is HTML prototypes, a prototype that has been built and developed using HTML. The last is interactive prototypes. With interactive prototypes, you can see functionality, usability, and realism all in one. So, stakeholder can get a full picture of how your mobile apps or website will look like before it goes into production with an interactive prototype, because it will be clickable and respond to their actions. What is the digital transformation? Digital transformation is marked by a level of intensity of application and implementation of digitally driven project, and organization manage change within itself to take advantage of digital. Digital transformation can occur in customer experience and service design, customers insight, adding value, business process.